The main thing that led me to choose IB was how the subject combination works. I was always interested towards technology, business and computers, but in normal studies I could never find a combination as such. But IB helped me get the combination of computer science, business, economics and all the other subjects that I really wanted to study. So IB, I feel like has given me an edge over any other curriculum to help me achieve what I want in future. Business management. I aspire to be a businessman in future, an entrepreneur, and so have my subject. So my subject choices have led me there. The most I have scored is a 7 in business management. Business is something I am very passionate about. So getting a 7 in business is something that has really helped me to boost my confidence and know that in future I can achieve something in the field of business and entrepreneurship. The biggest academic challenge I faced was learning how the IB curriculum worked, because the CBSE and ICSE curriculum which I knew about and which I had been in previously was ICSE, and ICSE and IB is completely different. IB pushes you to be a better version of yourself, to learn things in depth, while in ICSE it was more of theory and book knowledge. So IB is pushed me to go beyond the books, research, develop my research skills, learn a lot about the fields and help me gain the confidence that I can achieve something in my future in the career of my desire. I am currently the house captain of APUS House. I had previously not taken up a lot of leadership roles, but I feel like becoming the house captain has changed my perspective of leadership. It is really important to me that I learn how to work together, because in the field of business it is really important to make connections, and I feel like the leadership roles I've taken up have helped me gain the communication skills to achieve so. Now, talking about communication skills, at the very beginning of my DP1 journey, I got the Best Orator Award. Now, ever since I got that award, my confidence has been on top. I have always tried to be a better version of myself. My inspiration has definitely been my father. He is a businessman who has made it successful in the field of business. I aspire to follow in his footsteps and also start a business venture of my own and take it to the next level. I would like to take up business in the future again. I aspire to be an entrepreneur, so I have chosen the fields of entrepreneurship and business management, and I feel like those will help me get to where I want to be in the next 10 to 15 years. Being better than the day before is what I strive to be most important. I believe that you don't have to be the best in the room, you just have to be good at what you do.